Good morning, everybody. It's so early to be doing this, but I'm staying out in the desert in Sedona, and I forgot my cards again at home, but I still wanted to do a reading for you today. And there's the beautiful moon and the sun rising there in the east. You can see the silhouette of the mountains here. It's so beautiful, so peaceful. Today is January 15th, 2026. It's a Thursday. I hope you all are doing well, very well. So I'm just going to use my intuition to do a nature reading for you today. So let's just all close our eyes together for a minute. Hopefully you're not driving. Close your eyes and let's go within. And just feel your body, your breath. And let's begin to imagine what you would like this day to be like. Think of the emotions that you would like to feel today. And allow yourself to begin to feel them already. Feel the gratitude. And then begin to feel what it would like to have something today that you've always wanted. And it's already yours. You're already experiencing that. And it feels amazing. Feel it in your body. It is your reality. Feel the gratitude. Now, feel how it came to you, how you attracted it, how it showed up in your life magically. And imagine saying to yourself, and so it is. It's already mine. I'm already experiencing this. This is so cool. So amazing. Thank you, Creator. Okay, guys, so I hope you have an absolutely beautifully magical, peaceful day. And as you open your eyes, continue that feeling. Know that it's on its way. It's already yours. You're just lining up with it. And go on about your day as normal. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I truly hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.